Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
SoKo's journey.
Here's Sarah with Poncho.
Poncho, say
Poncho, oh my baby. Oh my little old man.
And you know what, guys? And here, Courtney and Asu. So we are in home watching TV together and family time. So we're just recording this vlog for you guys. Why I'm speaking in English? Because this vlog many people from इंडिया एंड मैनी कंट्रीज सो मैं अब हिंदी में बोलूँगा तो मैं अभी खेलने वाला हूँ कैट के साथ। देखो ये मेरे साथ कैसे खेलता है। तो हमारा कैट यहाँ पे आराम कर रहा है। हाय सेबास्टिन।
Where's the laser?
Come on you lazy boy.
Sebastian.
Come on.
Get it, Sebastian. Get it.
देखते हैं सेबास्टिन इसको लेता है कि नहीं। फाइनली
Move it faster.
He's trying to eat now.
Oh my god.
He's so spoiled, Sebastian.
Let me do it.
आप लोग वीडियो में बने रहें. Let's see. ये ट्राई कर रहा है अब. Oh, finally. When I try, he not move.
I
Courtney.
think it's kind of lazy. Sebastian, get it. Get it.
Come on, Sebastian. You can do it. बहुत आलसी हो गया है. चल उठ जा. I don't think Courtney it's gonna work.
Sebastian, why are you so lazy today?
Now let's see Asa can try or not.
Okay.
So now Asa, show me your laser. Okay, let's see.
Oh my god, we have no milk outside.
Okay, we can buy tomorrow.
Okay.
Nothing work. You think Tiago can do it?
Here.
Sebastian, what's... Oh, should we do it on the TV?
Yeah.
The mouse?
Yeah, we can do that.
Get the mouse on the TV, Tiago.
तो अभी हम ना टीवी में चूहा का लगाने वाले वीडियो और देखते हैं हमारा बिल्ली उसको कैच करता है कि नहीं। तो अब हम लगा रहे हैं टीवी में ये माउस वाला वीडियो और इसको अट्रैक्ट होकर देखते हैं सेबास्टिन आता है कि नहीं। या वी आर रेडी। सो हियर इज सेबास्टिन, लेट्स सी। Not this, Thiago. Okay, finally. Okay, here's mouse. And here's Sebastian.
Sebastian, what's over there?
Okay, let's see. देखो। Okay, finally, भाई ये जा रहा है टीवी के पास। Where's mouse? But okay, finally it's here.
Where'd it go?
It's here. Guys, silent. Be silent. Oh my god.
He's like looking down. Where'd it go,
Come on.
Sebastian?
Oh my god.
Where'd it go?
अरे वो तो चूहा ढूंढ रहा है भाई। Come here. Ah, Sebastian. Hanso, you see?
Sebastian, where'd it go? Where's the mouse?
Punch. Alright, Sebastian.
Oh my god. Look. Yes, oh no. He gonna broke the TV.
Where'd it go?
Sebastian.
He sees it.
Uh.
Got away from you.
Oh, he did it.
Where'd it go?
Sebastian.
Okay,
He'll
he
figure
can
it out.
understand.
He'll figure it out. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Come on, Sebastian. Oh my god, you're so dumb. You spoil. He just look at your food, Asa. No, he try. Anyways. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is from today. So subscribe our channel and share. This is us. आप लोग जितना प्यार दोगे हम उतना ट्राई करेंगे ब्लॉग बनाने का. आपके ऊपर है. So
Look at him.
देखो अब ये वहां पे ढूंढ रहा है जाके.
Where goes the basket?
Anyways, we have to say bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.